through it once. Inscri-
Ma'am, we have write in rough book.
yes, you have to write in rough book.
Ma'am, can I read?
Inscription.
Ma'am, can I read Insia?
Ma'am, can I read Alina Holia?
First, let me
Can
first.
I read Insia? Ma'am,
Let,
can I read Insia?
एक minute, beta. Let me first read, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Inscriptions of which ruler are very famous? Akbar, Siddharaj Jain Singh, then Ashoka and Mihir Bhoj. So, beta, inscriptions of Ashoka are very famous. You know, the famous pillar of Sarnath. Yes,
Yes.
those are the inscriptions made by Ashoka. You know, beta, हमारा अशोक चक्र जो है, anyone knows what is अशोक चक्र?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. 24
What is
blue
Yes,
lines.
ma'am.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
no,
24
24
ma'am.
blue
That
lines
is Indian
और
flag.
ब्लू कलर का सर्कल
girls?
होता है ना,
Please
उसमें
maintain,
28 लाइन्स है वो.
main, please maintain discipline. Only mic on one by one.
Ma'am,
Yes,
in the
beta sir.
flag there is Ashoka Chakra, no, in white, and it is color is blue. There are 24 lines on Ashoka Chakra.
Those lines, they are not known. They are not said lines. They are known as spokes. SPOKE spokes. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Anyone knows about Ashok Chakra?
Ma'am, how many times we have to write?
Two times each. It is
Ma'am, we
our
have to write.
yes, beta. It is our national symbol. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, next one. Written everyone numbers first.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am, 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am, written.
Yes. Can you revise once?
Ma'am, can I revise Sirat?
Ma'am, can I
Ma'am,
revise,
can
ma'am?
I revise Muskan?
Ma'am, can I,
Sirat.
Mahareen?
Sirat.
Sirath will
Ma'am,
revise.
Mahareen.
Yes, ma'am. Inscriptions of which ruler are very famous? Option A. Akbar. Option B. Siddharaj Jaisingh. Option C. Mir Bhoj. Option D. Ashoka. Answer Ashoka.
Very good. Answer is Ashoka. What is the answer? Ashoka. As I said, you the uh, famous monuments constructed by Ashoka, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, options we have to write.
Yes, yes. Number seventh one. Chalo.
मैम यहाँ 6 से चालू करे ना.
हाँ. Hi. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can I read, Mahareen?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can I continue, Sirat?
Yes, yes.
In the ancient time, who got their orders inscribed, carved on stones to
Ma'am,
converse with people? A. Hunters. B. Kings. C. Fishermen. D. Herdsmen. Answer B. Kings.
Yes. What is the answer?
Kings.
Very good. Chalo, next one.
Number 8. What are scripts engraved on copper plate sheet called? A. Bhojpatra. B. Tadpatra. C. Letter. D. Tamrapatra.
Hmm. Very good. Chalo. Written?
no,
Answer.
ma'am.
Chalo, be fast. Oh.
Can I initiate?
हाँ इंशा से. Have you written in your book?
Yes, ma'am, we have written.
Yes, ma'am, we have written.
Can I continue reading?
Ma'am, I have written Mehri.
हाँ.
Ma'am, I have written Muskan.
Ma'am, can I say Mehrin?
हाँ बेटा.
May I say Muskan? Oh, ma.
Ma'am, can I Mehrin?
हाँ you
मैं रीड करूं?
can. हाँ
मैम
बेटा.
आपकी स्क्रीन तो नहीं दिख रही है.
Question number 1.
हाँ मैम नहीं दिख रहा है।
मैम मैंने बुक में लिखा हुआ है, मैं रीड करूं Mehrin?
मैम मैंने भी बुक में लिखा हुआ है. रीड करो मुस्कान.
मैम मैंने
मैंने
अब टर्न नहीं
मैम मैं रीड करूं
किया.
इनिशियल?
Mehrin मैम.
मैम मेरा टर्न
Yes.
नहीं आता। मैम मैं रीड
Yes
करूं
बेटा.
इनिशियल?
मैम मैं.
मैम कौन रीड करेगा बोलो ना आप.
Mehrin.
मैम कैन आई
मैम
इनिशियल?
मैम. Question number 6.
मैम कैन
Inscription
आई
of
इनिशियल?
ruler are very famous.
कैन आई इनिशियल?
Option Akbar.
मैम तो बिना रीड कर।
मैम ने कहा है मुझे.
Yes Mehrin.
मुझे भी तो बात बोला।
Yes, ma'am. Question number 6. Inscription of which ruler are very famous? Option A. Akbar. Option B. Siddharaj Jai Singh. Option C. Mihir Bhoj. Option D. Ashoka. Answer is option D. Ashoka.
Very
Number
good.
7.
Very good.
In the ancient time, who got the orders inscribed graved on stones to conserve with people? Option A. Hunters. Option B. Kings. Option C. Fishermen. Option D. Headmen. Answer
Very
is
good.
option B. Kings.
Very good. चलो now you can see my screen again.
नो मैम।
एक ज मिनट.
No, मैं. Yes, ma'am. Now we can see.
चलो next
यस
one.
मैम।
Ma'am, who will read?
Ma'am, I'm Mehrin.
मैम कैन आई
Ma'am, I
इनिशियल?
read Muskan.
Mehrin is continuing.
मैम
Mehrin is
कैन आई रीड
continuing.
इनिशियल?
Ma'am, can
क्या
I?
है रे?
Yes, ma'am. Question number 8. What are scripts engraved on copper plate sheet called? Option A. Bhojpatras. Option B. Tatpatras. Option C. Letter. Option D. Tamrapatra. Answer is option D. Tamarapatra.
Tamar Patras.
Tamarpatras. Ma'am, number 9.
Very good. चलो next one.
Yes, ma'am. Number 9. The Panchmark coins of which country have been found in India? Option A. 5th century BC. Option B. 2nd century AD. Option C. 5th century AD. Option D. 7th century AD. Answer is 5th century BC.
हाँ very good. Answer is
Can I read?
5th century.
Number 10. By which name is the
century BC.
learner of
Yes,
Ma'am,
number 10th one.
Yes, ma'am. By which name is the learner of historical source known? Option A. Geologist. Option B. Astronomer. Option C. Statistical. Option D. Archaeologist. Answer is archaeologist.
Yes, it is archaeologist. By which name is the learner of the historical sources known as? Yes, what are they known as? Archaeologists,
Archaeologist.
right? They
Yes,
are not
ma'am.
known as geologist, astronomer. Astronomer are who studies about the sky, right? Statisticians, but they are known as archaeologists. Written everyone? Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, next one.
Yes, ma'am. Number 11. Which of the following is not included in the list of ancient foreign travelers? Option A. Sir Thomas Roe. Option B. Megasthenes. Option C. Fahian. Option D. Yun Teseng. Answer is option A. Sir Thomas Roe.
Yes, which of the following is not included in the list of ancient foreign travelers? So, options are Sir Thomas Rao, Megasthenes, Fahuin, and Hunsteng. Okay, so what will be the answer? Sir Thomas Rao.
Ma'am, number 12. Can I read? Number 12. With the help of researches of historians, we get the glimpse of great civilization of India. This flourished on the banks of which river in northwestern India? Option A. Ganga. Option B. Yamuna. Option C. Saraswati.
સરસ્વતી
Ma'am,
ને
your
બોલાય
screen
સર.
is blank.
હા બેટા હજુ બહુ પ્રોબ્લેમ થાય છે 1 minute present again.
Ma'am, I have PDF.
No, you don't need to send. I have. Chalo, with the help of researchers of
Option C.
historians.
Saraswati.
Yes.
Option D. Answer is option D. Indus.
Indus बोला શું બોલાય Indus Valley
Indus.
civilization was developed on the rivers of Indus, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Question number 13. How many years ago did many cities come to into existence in India? Option A. 10,000 years. Option B. 4,500 years. Option C. 8,000 years. Option D. 2,000 years. Answer is option B.
Ma'am, आवाज
4,500 years.
અને એક આનો ખાસ કહેજો.
मैम मैरिन की वॉइस कट हो रही है बहुत ही.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
No,
now
now I can listen, Mary. Yes, Muskan, you revise better, Mary. If she is not audible to you.
Yes, ma'am. Question number 12. With the help of researches of historians, we get the glimpse of great civilization of India. This flourished on the banks of which river in northwestern India? Option A Ganga, option B Yamuna, option C Saraswati, option D Indus. Answer is option D Indus.
Not
Question
India.
number
Indus Valley civilization was developed, right? And from that
Yes,
only we
ma'am.
get India name. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
मुझे भी मुझे
Yes, ma'am.
रिटर्न का भाई.
Next, better.
Question number 13. How many years ago did many cities come into existence in India? Option A 10,000 years. Option B 4,500 years. Option C 8,000 years. Option D 2,000 years. Answer is 4,500 years. Question number 14. What did the Iranians call the Indus River? Option A Ganges, option B Indus, option C Hindus, option D India. Answer is Option C. Hindus.
Hindus नहीं बोलते, Indus बोलते, okay?
Indus.
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 Hmm. I know there is a U, but we pronounce it as Indus. Okay?
Ma'am, answer is Hindos. C. 14 one.
Hindus. हाँ.
हाँ, Hindus. Ma'am, question number 15. What did the Greek call the Indus River? Option A. Ganges. Option B. Indus. Option C. Hindus. Option D. India. Answer is option B. Indus. Question number 16. From which Vedas do we find the name of Bharat? Option A. Rig Veda. Option B. Sam Veda. Option D. Atharva Veda. Option D. Yajur Veda. Answer is option A. Rig Veda. Hello, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा.
Question number 17. The chronology was started from the birth year of the founder of which religion? Option A. Jainism. Option B. Buddha. Option D. Christianity. Option D. Islam. Answer is option C. Christianity.
Ma'am, now can I read Sirat?
Yes, Sirat
Question
can read.
number
Ma'am, can I read?
18.
Sirat.
Yes, ma'am. Who is the founder of Christianity? Option A. Jesus Christ. Option B. Ashok Zarathustra. Option C. Hazrat Muhammad Paigambar. Option D. Gautam Buddha. Answer option A. Jesus Christ.
Jesus नहीं बोला है, Jesus.
Jesus Jesus Christ. 19. The year 2000, the year 2020 means how many years after the birth of Jesus Christ?
Wait, let everyone copy down. Who is the founder of Christianity? Okay? Jesus Christ, also Zarathustra, Zarathustra, Hazrat Muhammad Paigambar, or Gautam Buddha. Gautam Buddha was the founder of Buddhism, right? So Christianity goes to Jesus Christ, right? Right or wrong, girls?
Yes, ma'am, right.
So the year 2020 means how many years after the birth of Jesus Christ? 20 years after the birth of Jesus Christ. Okay? Understood, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What does 2020 mean? 2020 का meaning क्या होता बेटा? After the birth of Jesus Christ. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
How many years after the birth of Jesus Christ? 20 years after how many years?
20 years.
Yeah, very good. Next one, beta.
Number 20. The birth year of the founder
19
of
twenty-one. 19th में रिवाइज करो बेटा.
Okay, ma'am. The year 2020 means how many years after the birth of Jesus Christ? A. 20 years. B. 2020 years. C. 220 years. D. 2000 years. Answer B. 2020 years.
Very good. That is after the birth of Jesus Christ. How many years 2020 means? कितने साल होता है? 20 years. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. 20. The birth year of the founder
Very
of.
good. Very good, Sirat.
Thank you, ma'am. 20. The birth year of the founder of which religion has been associated with the time dateline in the world? A. Buddha. B. Jainism. C. Christianity. D. Islam. Answer C.
Excuse me,
Christianity.
ma'am.
हाँ बेटा.
Ma'am, my one call is coming, so 1 minute can I left?
Yes बेटा. Come back soon.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes बेटा. Continue.
Ma'am, now can I initiate?
Yes, ma'am. Answer
Number
C.
6.
Christianity.
Revise. Yes बेटा.
Ma'am, can I read FB initiate?
Yes Insha. Wait. Okay. Let everyone write number 20.
Ma'am, I
Okay,
have to
ma'am.
read Sirat.
Yes Sirat. एक बार रिवाइज करो 20 number.
Okay, ma'am. 20. The birth year of the founder of which religion has been associated with the time dateline in the world? A. Buddha. B. Jainism. C. Christianity. D. Islam. Answer C. Christianity.
Answer is Christianity.
Ma'am, now can I initiate?
Yes Insha. Finish everyone till
Ma'am,
20.
I have to read FB now.
Yes Insha. Everyone finish. चलो FB number 1.
Ma'am, finish right. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. History gives us information about the dash of human society. Past. Number 2. Social science introduce us to
Don't go so
present
fast.
dash life.
Don't go so fast.
Okay, ma'am. Social. Number 3. Archaeologists and historians bring dash to our life. The past. We know our country by two
Ma'am,
names, India and Bharat.
By 2
Number
names.
5.
India and
ma'am,
हाँ बेटा बोल
Bharat.
बेटा.
ma'am, she is going so fast. I am writing number first.
बेटा you are going too fast. चलो
Okay,
I'm
ma'am.
doing
So,
copy
ma'am,
down. Okay.
okay, ma'am. We know our country by two
History.
names,
History gives
dash
us
and dash.
information about the past of the human society.
Ma'am, forum, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा.
Ma'am,
हाँ
can I
बेटा.
read Kasman Effort?
Yes Ifat. Till
Can I
3
read
number only. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. 1 minute.
Yes बेटा. Continue.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
And no. Ma'am, my voice is coming.
No, it is not coming.
Not coming, my voice.
No.
Ma'am, my voice is not coming.
Now it is coming.
Okay, ma'am.
ચાલો તો કર નહીં ગયા.
Ma'am, happy no? Number 1. History gives information about the dash of human society. Past. The answer is past. Number 2. Social science introduces us to the present dash life. Answer. Social. Archaeologists and historians bring dash to our life. The past.
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
Ma'am, now can I read India?
Ma'am, now can my turn has not come.
Ma'am, can I continue India?
Number 3.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. उसने number 3 तक complete कर लिया. Ma'am, now can I continue India?
Wait, beta.
Ma'am, can I
Wait.
Now can I
continue?
continue India?
Ma'am, Tafsir, continue.
Ma'am,
Wait,
आपने
wait.
मुझे बोला था.
Wait. Listen. Now I will like to see your classwork. Okay, everyone. One by one. Show me your classwork. Beta.